is about a simple technique to take care of your hand and your feet. So in this lockdown, we can barely see the face of a parlor, so why not have all those benefits at home with some simple ingredients which is easily available in our kitchen, and you just only need to take out all those useful ingredients and do the easy pedicure and manicure, which will take nearly 15 to 20 minutes hardly, and it will give you a very good results as you have seen in the pictures which I have shared in the beginning of this video. So let's not talk more about it and let's go directly to the ingredients part. So before we go to the much details part of the video, thank you for coming back to my channel, and those who are new over here, let me introduce myself. My name is Nabina Yasmin and I am in the blog name Glittersy. You can contact me in Instagram also by the name Glittersy Nabina, and I am here to talk about the simple DIY tips which can make easy our lifestyle, and also some tips about lifestyle and beauty. So let's go directly to the ingredients and the video part, and before that don't forget to hit the subscribe icon below. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates over there. So this is the before look of my feet, and as you can see some black patches and dry skin are already there, so which I will be removing in the later part of the video. So these are the ingredients which I'll require. I'll demonstrate in later part of the video. So I'll need a lukewarm water in a bucket, and then I'll add over here some baking soda which you will get at your kitchen very easily. I'll take over here 2 tablespoons of baking soda into the lukewarm water. I'll put it. So this would be the cleansing part of the first part of the pedicure. Then I'll put some neem leaves over here. You can put some flower petals if you have it at handy. Why not give us some luxurious feel, right? So then I'll add some droplets of shampoo, or you can add over here hand wash, anything which is easily available to you, and then put your feet inside and wait for 15 minutes. So after 5 minutes I'll use this soap foam to remove the dead cells, and in both the feet I'll try doing this, and then again put my feet inside to rest for 10 more minutes. So 15 minutes is over now. I will now take one lemon slice, and then I'll put the baking soda which was left over. I'll put it all over my feet and squeeze the lemon juice. I'll rub the lime slice all over my feet to remove the dark patches. This is very useful step. So baking soda and lemon used for whitening of the skin. Also it will remove all the scars and all the tans which you have. It is acting as an exfoliator to your skin. So it is a very good for the feet and also for your hands. So I have completed in both my feet, and now I will wash them with fresh water, a mug of fresh water. Then I will make sure that no water is there in my feet. Then is the scrubbing part. For here I have used some granular sugar over here. You can take rice flour if you have. Then I'll put half a tablespoon of honey inside it. Now honey has the anti-inflammatory properties which reduces the anti-tan. The tan will be removed with the honey, and then I'll squeeze this lemon extract into it. Like you will hardly need 5 to 10 drops of lemon drops. So this 1 tablespoon of lemon juice I'll add it to it, and then again I'll scrub my both of the feet. So lemon juice over here has the property of anti-tanning as it is full of antioxidants, and also honey which has an anti-inflammatory properties which help in smoothing and cleaning of your skin. Also sugar is adding over here as exfoliator, so you can use rice flour if you don't want to use sugar over here. So we will scrub for 5 to 10 minutes, not more than that, and now you can see the glow is automatically coming. So I'll wash my feet, and you can see it's all the glowiness and all the dark patches are gone now. So now I will be preparing the moisturizer, the last part of this pedicure. So here I have taken aloe vera gel, and I will add vitamin E capsule in it. so to retain the moisture. So I'll cut it and I'll mix it with my fingers in a very good creamy kind of texture. So this is the final cream which I'll put it on my feet, and that's all. You will see the glowy feet and healthy feet is ready. So I'll take my favorite nail polish and put it over my feet. I have also added over here my pile which I would love to wear, and you can see it's so nice, it's so elegant, and similar process I'll follow for my hand to give the same glow. So this is the result on my hands.
If you like this easy DIY tips and easy DIY steps to get the pedicure and manicure just as the same as a parlor look, and let me know about your feedback. I would love to get your feedback. Comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you. So that's the end for today. Take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones. Be happy, be safe. Bye.